Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Anke Roo from Jam Tours Africa. I'm there with One Love Africa. We just pull up at JamRock to start the Sunday brunch for you. So we just pull up. And so, One Love, what up on the menu today?
Today menu we gonna have curry chicken, Jamaican curry chicken, real authentic. A little coconut juice tonight. It have creamy with some spinach. It have rich. We gonna have escovitch kingfish. So escovitch fish steak we gonna have. You understand? So all of those who want a fish, take out the middle bone and a straight flesh because that's steak.
Yeah.
And so escovitch kingfish steaks are high class fish you get. Next we have some stir fry curry vegetables for the vegetarians. So last week we give them curry chickpea, don't? Coconut curry chickpea and it's slap with. People buy the chickpea by itself. They don't want no rice no nothing. So this week we'll give them stir fry curry vegetables. So come out and get that. Otherwise than that, we're gonna have some coconut rice to go with the curry them. Cause you know white rice and curry go together, but this time I give them the tropical Jamaican island vibes. Coconut rice. And we'll give them some festival. So who want fish and festival, if they don't want the rice, they have an option for a festival, or if they want all, they get all. Only for 1,400. For the drink, we'll give you guys mojito. So who want the mojitos? Come out. It's the high class profile thing, you know.
Yeah.
Come out and get some food. And we have the bread pudding.
Yeah.
You guys must see the video already or hear about it. The rum and raisin bread pudding. And we're not talking about the rum and raisin ice cream. This is a thing you can't beat in my scheme. Rum and raisin bread pudding. Only more thing on the menu. Just
yes,
come out,
family.
click.
Click, click. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. The girl them love you WhatsApp.
Yeah, man.
Alright, family. Let's go.
Viewers and subscribers, it's your guy One Love Africa, and as you can see, I'm in my chef gears, chef top. I put on my chef hat, and we're here at JamRock restaurant, and today is Sunday brunch. First, you guys gonna see the Sunday brunch on my side of videos, on my side of channel. So it's always on Jam Tour video. So this week, yeah, now I'll post the Sunday brunch so you guys can see what's going on. Every step at the moment when I prep, cook, every prepping is finished from yesterday. So all prepping is already finished. So right now, we'll cook some food. So you guys need to tune in. And next week Sunday, don't miss it. So this Sunday, this video is going to post. So next week Sunday, you guys can come out because each Sunday we have a different menu. And look out for the soul food Sunday because we have got some soul food for those people who want the mac and cheese, the cornbread, the greens, the beans, the barbecue ribs, the barbecue chicken. Just name it. It's a there, man. The coleslaw. Yo, a mad thing. So, right there at JamRock, see it there? And the thing is, it's at the restaurant, Jam Tour, they edit when I edit at the online work. We are going to the kitchen right now. It's early, very early in the morning. So we're cooking. So by lunch, food can be ready. Now go inside. We already baked the rum and raisin bread pudding from yesterday, which is last night. And now we're gonna do some curry chicken, some escovitch fish. We're gonna do some virgin mojito for those who want the drinks. So a whole lot more things I do, a whole lot more cooking that take place. Tune in, make sure you say like, subscribe and share, leave a comment. More videos coming your way. I'm just busy at the moment. The man at the moment. Jam Tour team, JamRock team, what go on? Alright, you hear that? That's from Chef Lillian herself. Chef Lily, tell them don't be silly. So, we have some carrots here. We have the cabbage, shred cabbage here. Because you know we're doing the coleslaw. This is the process of the coleslaw that we're doing. It's going to be creamy coleslaw. Some carrot here. I think this is for soup or oxtail season preparation. Everything about prep. This is for the soup, right? Yeah, man. Some potato, sweet potato, and Irish potato. Here, so we have the jerk chicken wings. It's not for the buffet, so guys, don't get too excited. This is for JamRock. So if you want wings, you can come out and get some jerk wings. Yeah, man. If you want it spicy, just tell them. If it's not too spicy, you talk to me. And over here, so I do the soup. I do the soup, red peas, vegetable soup with coconut milk and everything on your night. You see me? So I'm gonna say viewers and subscribers, make sure you send the tune in. like, subscribe, and share. If you like what go on. You know, the kitchen with One Love Africa, live and direct. So now I'm gonna make some festival. I'm gonna show you how to make festival the real authentic way. No one never get this recipe yet. So I'm gonna do a simple recipe festival for you guys. But the secret recipe, I'm not going to reveal that. I'm gonna keep that to myself at my place. But this is a recipe I'm gonna make right now. I'll be a normal 1-2 recipe. Check it out, check it out. Come on, viewers and subscribers. So now I show you guys the kitchen already with the jerk wings and what's taking place and the red peas vegetable soup. So now we're gonna make some festival. First time in One Love Africa and show you guys how to make Jamaican festival. You know you got Elch on these places. You eat the festival and the fried dumpling and you're wondering how they do it, why it tastes so good. So let me show you guys. So actually I have 2 cups of water. Zoom in if you can look good. We have 2 cups of water. We might use 1, we might use 2. Depends on the portion. We have the vanilla. We have a basin to make the festival in. The dough. We have salt. Baking powder. Sugar. You need brown sugar. You can't make festival without this.
Real Kenyan sugar. Look on the logo.
Yeah man, real Kenyan sugar. You see it. And the flour.
Yeah.
Counter flour. You can use PPF, which is all-purpose flour. Or you can use self-rising baking flour. Normal wheat flour. So this is all-purpose flour. You understand? And we have already burst the bag. Sorry if you make it look like this, I burst the bag. We have the maize, cornmeal. Yeah. So I'll show you guys what I want now. Make sure your hand wash clean and nice. Because that makes you clean everything, hand everything. Okay, I use the hand to knead. So I'm gonna tell you, for the event, this is 1 kg flour.
Yeah.
She used 2 kg in about. Remember, it's an all-in-one plate. So piece by one people get.
Yeah.
Throw some flour, you leave back some in the pan, in the bag, just in case.
Yeah.
If the dough too soft, you can add it to get it dry.
Just in case you spoil it slogan.
Just in case you spoil it. Yeah. Add back some.
That's what we normally do in Jamaica.
Yeah man. So salt, pinch of salt, which is 1 teaspoon.
Yeah, salt BM up.
Yeah man. So 1 teaspoon of salt.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 kg flour. You understand? Now this is the what call it? The maize. We call it cornmeal.
Yeah.
So you have to have this night.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna drop like a cup of cornmeal in it.
Yeah. 1
cup. Because you want your cornmeal for your festival taste like festival.
Yeah.
Without the cornmeal, it's actually fried dumpling. You understand? So the cornmeal make it the festival.
Okay.
You see, caramel and sugar. Now, I'm gonna add some sugar. Don't judge me if you not measure anything sure.
Because
it's not cooking class this.
It's a long time we have to do this.
Long time.
So we know measurement.
We know where to, yeah. So we know where to. So right now we are put, this amount of sugar I put in it. This is 5 tablespoons.
Yeah.
5 tablespoons, little bit. 5 tablespoons of sugar. In a 1 kg. We have the salt, baking powder. See baking powder now, you want like 1.5 teaspoons. Baking powder. And if baking powder strong, you might use 1 teaspoon. Depends on how strong the baking powder is in the country that you're in. You understand? So 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Might have to just use whole line flour. Because everything is measured properly. Now, some people use butter in their dough. You understand? Me now use no butter. I'm gonna show you that come out perfect. Mix. You want to mix it, combine everything together. Proper mixing.
Y'all come sit down on the mixing board.
Cornmeal look good tonight. So you're afraid of me? When you eat one of these festivals, you think you're back in Jamaica. But right now you're in Africa. So we bring Jamaica flavors to you.
Yeah.
Yeah man. See it there? Properly. All mixture, dry mixture is combined.
Yeah.
We can use the vanilla, but we not use the vanilla. We don't need it. But some people use it, but we don't need this. You understand? the way I mix this, you're gonna taste like vanilla is already in it.
Yeah.
As I said, you can use a little butter, not margarine. When you use the margarine and try to fry it, the festival break. It becomes soggy and break. Too much baking powder make it become bitter and too oily, soft like spongy. You don't want the festival to be spongy. You want it to be soft but actually crispy and crunchy and nice and moist at the same time.
Yeah.
So you mix it the way I mix it, everything will be good. Yeah man. See the first cup of water. All of it. Mix. Second cup of water. Half of it. Mix. Then I finish add the other cup of water. You have a mix. And if this ingredients call for more water, you add. But trust me, it's not going to call for less, it might call for more. You see? Normally we should have like even 2.5 cup of water to 3.
Yeah.
So, Newton, 1 cup of water in this please. So we are combining the flavors and the mixture together. You make a dough.
Yeah.
You now pay attention. See there? It look crumble, right?
Yeah.
Just like when you make patty. It's supposed to look crumble like this, but you use butter instead. Like margarine, melted butter, fatted butter. Because the flake give you the layers.
Yeah.
You understand? Thank you. Water. Half cup. Mix in that. And you want to add the water gradually. Water again. Mix in that. Show you guys how it's done. Do it like this gradually stuff. You're not going to spoil anything. Because some people just dash water and spoil them. Remember, the music have a whole life flowing off, so be careful. Yeah.
If it spoil, it spoil. Style as style.
Festival, no spoil. So you need it. So you need festival now. You don't want to need it like you need dumpling.
Yeah.
Because you don't want the festival to be tight. Just take your time and fold it in. Fold! See? So the dough.
Yeah.
Nice. You take your time and you fold in the dough. Do not need it like you need dumpling. I like you want some more cornmeal into it. So, I add some more cornmeal. For a festival, it's about the cornmeal. Now y'all we call it fry corn. The man say, you have fry corn there. Why they call it fry corn? Because of the cornmeal, the fried. You see it? So all of the Caribbean people who know about festival, are the American, Black American, and British people are anywhere in the world. Canadian, big up yourself. Big up the people from St. Kitts, Barbados. Big up the people from Ghana, Germany, Switzerland, Egypt. You understand? Botswana, all Africa, Nigeria. Big up the people from even from Saudi Arabia. Surprise! Me have fans who tune in on my channel who subscribe from Saudi Arabia. People like what I go on. You know, the strangers them give me more support than my own people themselves. And the big thing about me now, like, all of my friends me have, you know, but them are not really friends, you know. So we be careful we use that word a friend because strangers give me more support. I tell you, say, in my friend circle, and the strangers them run up my subscription them and watch my video. I'm in a friend. So, in life, if you see a friend that carry far, no. Always strangers. Come around and give the love and help. The seat the jam tour, festival door ready.
Ready like Freddy.
You can't think that put yes up. You fold it in. Yo, what should I go up on yes up? You don't pay attention. See? You fold in the door.
Yeah.
Because you don't want it. You don't want it if it's too tough. If you need it too much, that'll be too tough. So just fold it in. I eat this.
I eat this.
I'll show you how I go on. Sometimes we do this when you come like a ball.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, flambe it up.
See there? Do nice. Look. See it'll push out back. Do ready. Ready. That's how you make the festival. Right here. I'm saying it's butter. But when you're using butter, you have to know, be careful, it's a little butter if you want. Making festival, yeah, different ways. And guys, this is not my signature way. This is just a typical way I can show you guys. The signature way, I will never show you guys. But for those who want a special way, different from this way, want to be different, you can add vanilla, lasco, or milk powder. If you want to make a festival and it be really good, you can add a little milk powder. Do not add no cinnamon, do not add no vanilla. You don't need these stuff. Just the same ingredients I show you guys. The caramel, the sugar, the flour, the baking powder, the salt. That's it with some water. And just take your time and knead it. Add the water gradually. Add 1 cup first, then add the rest gradually to make sure that it's not doesn't be too sticky or too soft and it doesn't spoil. If it come out to the case that you know it's too sticky, you can add some more flour in it. Little bit of flour, dust it, knead it, dust it, knead it until it come back out dry. You see my hands? Yeah, it's not it's too sticky. So you want it to be good? Add your milk powder. Anyway, you can find milk powder, last creamy malt or whatever. You can add your milk powder. Do not add milk. Because when you add milk, you can add a little milk but not too much. Use water instead of milk because the milk, when you fry it, the festival becomes dark. So you can add a little milk if you want. But the best thing is milk powder combined with the flour and everything else. Your guy Chef Ricardo, your guy One Love Africa. Like, subscribe and share. I'm gonna show you guys some more here.
Alright, we hope. Yeah, family, so One Love Africa from Chef Ricardo. Done finish the door with the festival.
Yeah, man.
And I say we have a lot of stuff today on the Sunday brunch. Yeah, family, so festival mats up. It's time for you to see what it look like. You know what I mean? Mats up and what's up? That's up. Excavage sauce.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright, family. Continue watching this vlog. Like, share, and comment. We are out.
I'm gonna need some carrot and stuff for this. Carrot, Irish potato.
Yeah, family. So these are the curry chicken. Muzzle up and basil up. Yeah. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. I'm actually reporting to you live from Kiambu County. Actually, we actually had Wayaki Way, where a Subaru was coming from this side. And it actually, as you can see, that's the road right there. And it actually fly all the way, family. And that's it right there, family. As you can see, you know what I mean? I don't know what happened to the person inside, but it come all the way from there, all the way, family. So it seems like it's a sports car, and it was coming all the way from that side. It fly all the way and come all the way here, family. So I'm here, just showing you what happened. You know what I mean? I'm still trying to understand, trying to figure out if somebody's actually in that car right there. If somebody's inside. But as you can see, guys, there are a lot of people here coming to see what is happening. But it's an unfortunate situation, you know. When you're in the sports car, you have to be careful while you're driving because, you know what I mean, these cars easily to get out of control. You know what I mean? So as you can see, a lot of people here, you know what I mean, still trying to find out if there's anyone inside. So as you can see, family, these are like the windscreen and stuff. That's the car right there, family. Still trying to understand if anybody inside the car. family. So as you can see, guys, as you can see, this is what is happening right now. Someone inside? Someone inside? Anyone inside the car?
No.
Ah.
It happened in the morning.
Oh, not okay in the morning. Okay. All right, fellas. I heard that it happened in the morning. Not now. Yeah, family. But as you can see, guys, I am just coming from JamRock, reporting to you live from Kimbo County, from the highway. This car just flew over the ditch, family. So let's go. I'm actually going home, and I'm just gonna show you this in the video, family. So let's go. Continue watching the vlog. Jam Tours Africa. You know what I mean? Let's go. So as you can see, guys, this is how it looks like. Everybody trying to see what is happening. So let's go.
Viewers and subscribers, it's your guy again. One Love Africa. I'm there, you know, at the kitchen at JamRock. Do the Sunday brunch. The Sunday brunch are going good. And right now we have a YouTuber in the building. His name is Evans. He's a good youth. He's been supporting me a long time. And I'll do some vlogging together. So you guys can stay tuned because we are connected right now. We've been connected a long time, but in their support. So now I'll see what I say and getting feedback for the food. If it miss or it hit, whatever you want to call it, is this. Now say, right in the building. Man called Evans.
Yeah.
See the viewers and subscribers?
Sorry?
Viewers and subscribers, this is Evans, the YouTuber. Good youth, want to do the work while I go on, and he's not here alone. He's actually here with his queen. So, all of you guys, all of you girls who are talking about Evans nice and bring it to Jamaica, sorry right now, because you have a queen. You know, like I can't go to Jamaica for you guys. So Evans, what's the feedback? How is it? First one I ask you, what's going on? What go on? How is everything?
We are here at the JamRock restaurant.
Yeah.
Chef Ricardo.
Yeah.
And we just had the Sunday brunch.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, there is a lot. We started with the what
The
piece?
soup,
The soup.
red pea soup.
The red pea soup.
How was it?
It was amazing.
Yeah, man.
I really like how spicy the
Soup is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has corn.
All different type of food in it.
All different type of food.
That's the Jamaican
Mixed type
soup.
of
So the
food,
first
yeah.
time you tasting Jamaican red pea soup.
Yeah.
First time.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The first time you tasting it. What else?
11 out of 10. For the
11 out of 10. Hold on there.
Then,
Viewers, you hear that? Everyone say 11 out of 10.
Yeah.
So go and tell a friend and we'll and come again.
Yeah.
You
Then
understand?
After the soup, what else do we have?
We have the rice, coconut rice,
This one.
or the mojito.
The mojito.
Yeah.
How does it taste?
The mojito was really amazing.
Yeah?
It was how do I put it?
Virgin uses virgin. Mine is
Virgin mojito.
Oh,
Virgin like an empress. Virgin mojito like an empress.
Then after,
Yeah, man.
After the mojito, we had
Yeah?
the coconut rice.
The coconut rice.
Yeah.
First time trying the coconut rice.
Yeah, that's the first time.
Okay.
It was a little bit spicy,
Mm-hmm.
but a lot of coconut. Then
Yeah, the
there's,
flavor.
The flavor, yeah.
Yeah.
Then there's the chicken curry.
Chicken
which
curry.
was so juicy. I
Very
really liked-
juicy.
Yeah, I really liked how juicy it was.
Yeah?
Then the fish.
The fish, the escovitch fish.
Yeah. It was I have never tasted such type of fish.
Before. Never.
Yeah, never.
You hear that?
But it was amazing. It was
Nice.
amazing fish. Then what else was there?
the veggies.
The veggies.
Yeah.
The veggies.
Sweet.
It was sweet. She was actually asked.
The coleslaw.
What did you put
It's
in?
coleslaw, creamy coleslaw.
What did you put in it? It was so nice.
It was so nice. Yeah, man, Chef Ricardo spice that one. My recipe is there with me. I'm going to actually start sell some recipe book. So people who want to cook like me or taste or even close to me can actually buy the book.
Oh, nice.
So you get everything. Now you need dessert.
Yeah.
Can I have get the dessert as yet?
Yeah.
So now we're gonna try the Jamaican pudding. The Jamaican banana, no, not banana. Normally we do potato pudding, but now it's going to be bread pudding. A dessert made from bread.
Oh.
So now you guys gotta taste it and tell me what you feel like.
Yeah, sure.
So Grace, you coming with the pudding?
Yeah.
Okay then, make it nice for them because the first time for them trying the dessert. Yeah man. So everything is good though.
Yeah, everything.
Everything. What's your feedback? You said the coleslaw is very good.
It's really good. Plus the red beet soup. How did you get it? Like there's
That-
a kickback at the back of the tongue.
When you
It's
taste it.
really good.
Yeah man, kick like a karate.
Yeah.
Yeah man, kick like a karate, tongue and work like a Pilates.
I think we're gonna talk off camera. You're gonna tell me your recipes.
Just say a lot of people want to know my recipe, but it's not gonna happen. I can teach you guys. I do cooking classes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So for those who want to learn to cook, because in Kilimani, Westland, Campbell, places I'm doing lessons, cooking lessons, Lavington, a lot of places around here. So that's how I get to know more of Nairobi because people book me and I get to come to their place and teach them how to cook. You understand? So if you want to know, you can make a bookings or I can sell you the cooking book. Recipe book is coming. Yeah, but family, like, subscribe and share. And these two, this couple, Evans and his wife, is going to taste the pudding.
Yeah.
So let them, they're coming with it. So I can't wait.
100%.
Don't get your hopes up yet. Wait to taste it first.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, it's good though. It's good. It's good. It's good. So okay then, guys. So,
Do house calls.
pardon? House calls? Yeah.
Like a couple.
Yeah.
Or a family.
We even do that. Trust me, I do a lot of anything to do with food. Food and beverage, I got it. House call, I'm just one phone call away. As long as the price is right, I'm on site. Yeah man. Got that.
You got that?
Yeah. So, whenever you guys ready, just give it a shout out.
So guys, go check out my channel.
Yeah.
My channel name is Evans Trial on YouTube.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
I'm here, everyone's gonna start do some blogging.
Yeah.
So, stay tuned. Watch what I go on because me and Evans have some wicked video for drop. A long time for link, you know. But this man is hard to get to. And no one have his number, so now we get to you.
Sure.
So, I'll do some wicked thing, man. Show no what I go on. And for all of you ladies, we say what Evan is handsome, take care of Evans now. Ain't gonna work. Oh, so the pudding is here.
Yeah.
So let me see. Ooh. Woo.
I look
Yeah.
like I can't even breathe.
Please dig in. Oh,
I need to
capture. I need to see the first bite. Let me hold it, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But do not for me.
Not you?
No, don't put me in his channel. Just him.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So you.
It's not? Oh, yeah, man. Evans is there.
So what did you say this is?
This is the.
Or chicken, how it look, how it taste.
It's
Basil down.
on the verge. It's on the
Yeah.
verge. Just some time in it now.
Yeah, have some time and allow it to simmer down.
Yeah, man. So spring onion.
Yeah. Alright family, let's go.
Bread pudding.
Bread pudding.
Rum and raisin bread pudding.
Let us try it.
Cheers. Mm. Make from bread, right? Can't believe. Can't believe.
It doesn't feel like a bread.
Doesn't. Just make it get more sauce. If you want more sauce, get more sauce. That's a rum sauce. Tell me. Good?
This is a 10, man.
10.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. What about you,
Can this
Queen?
become like a cake?
It
Or I
is.
can just like
Yeah, it is.
carry it and
Yeah.
eat it
That's what we do.
forever.
Forever. Forever. That's what we do.
It's amazing.
It's amazing, right? Okay then, guys. That's the syrup, the garnish. That's like chocolate syrup.
Really good.
Yeah.
It comes really well together.
Hershey's chocolate syrup for garnish. So if you want more of the bread pudding sauce or rum sauce, you can get more. Yeah. So, guys,
It's okay. It's sure 10. So
tune in.
for me, I'd say actually that this is a 10 over 10, like the whole brunch.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
And you're from the real Jamaican people. You're not coming from no one that's not cooking authentic Jamaican food. Everything you're getting authentic, and it's from me.
So Chef Ricardo, it's time that you tell my subscribers when they can get this whole setup made for them.
Alright then, viewers and subscribers. And that's what I go on. Tune in.
Tease me.
Keep up.
Don't turn back. Suddenly I found the love that I was searching for. Holding comfort, does the love will never fade. Oh darling, oh yeah, come closer to me and let me love. When they sing I come. Tease me, baby. Till I
lose control. I think it's on a reggae beat. You know it. Punch.
I will never forget the first time we kissed. It's like striking gold, having no fish.
It's you be tease me. Chaka Demos and Pliers. Yeah.
Woman, tease me till you lose control.
Remix! Oh, what's up? Please, sir. Get me love the breeder. Every night in the room on me, I see that. Hold up! That's very mellow. First drop.
Just call me when I don't sing, I'm just bullshitting.
Anybody else want to start? Let's get instrument and sing for them.
See, come sit here at least.
Which one is that? Maybe I hear the beat, I can know it. What about that song? I'm not a karaoke singer right now, I just Fever.
Forget the nut when it's sweet, yo. What you say? You want? Wine for me, baby, everything's next. My long love make you turn on me. So when you want it? Wine for me, baby, everything's next. When you look round that, I mean that doggy style now, please not. My cock is so hot it give you fire fever. Tattoo, mama, stomach. Forget me not when it's sweet you. Yo.
Believer! Find up with that Find the baby a bit, everything crisp. My good love make you turn on crisp. Oh, it's a night. Oh, because you take the hold on, I'm not ready. Hold up.
Give him.
I'm going to get straight.
Come on, Adi, when me, go, say. Yeah. All of the fans, them are there.
What's that on the DJ? Let's get that topic. What's the DJ? Anything?
Freestyle.
Right now, man, I 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, master, oh, my, yes, oh, master, oh, my, yes, oh.
Come over here, son. A Sunday brunch.
Sunday night, I went there on the brunch. Happy and saltfish, feel lunch. Sunday night, I went there on the brunch. Magic, white rum, not a punch. Sunday night, and they up on the brunch. A jam tour, me a eat couple lunch. Sunday night, and they up on the brunch. The chorus of the day. Alright, some happy and saltfish jerky. We got the present in the raw black yam kitchen. We have to link the everything on it. Wheel!
We love when you put on a stage show slogan.
Wheel again. Yeah, different one.
We need to have.
Indian, right? Freestyle. Freestyle. Alright then. Hey, Indian. What's that? You want Indian? Okay. Hey, Indian, baby. Come give me baby. You're crazy.
No man, this is a song. Yo, I sang this. You find it. Yeah.
You are crazy.
Yo, you find it. We love.
Find it. Alright. Freestyle.
Yo, you can't remember what you said.
Hey, Indian, baby.
Don't give me baby. Yeah.
Hey, jump for this week like the from party yellow TSC.
How you say a talent slogan? How you say talent boy? How you say
Freestyle Sunday.
Yeah.
Baby.
Yo. Why slogan here? We the talent boy. Oh! Yo!
Yeah.
Yo, the girl say they want me, so they must call me. Call me, I'm gonna tell you say they want me. Call me.
Nah, sure.
All the words are slow.
Freestyle.
Freestyle one.
Yeah, smooth and soft. Yo. Yeah. Jill spot, JamRock. Pan the brunch at the brunch time.
Yeah. Outside. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo. So me tell her, baby, girl, stop driving crazy, lady. So me say, baby, girl, stop driving crazy. A slogan, crazy. Yo, my girl, you know you're hot, and your friend them not. Them bad mind to you, hear them not. Me like the style, all the natural and your plat. Me like the style when the natural and your plat. You're something clean and the shave and the fat. You're something clean and the shave and the fat. The care you got, you drive out and you lift them a squat.
Me a jam tour, they a body spot.
Yeah.
I don't
Kate bury him, they are run a back. Eat curry chicken out of the pot. Me not like how the cross bring a flop. A big song me a tune the catch up. Me freestyle and me do this on the spot. And you know me style hot. Baby. Yeah.
Next time you stop, a JamRock at the spot. Jamaica thing we have it back. So we not turn back. In Africa we dead. How we are taught it and say, me and my family, I'm me boy and me know say me not stop a one.
Different beat. I beat a match still. Yo.
A slogan there man. Just right now. Yo.
Some funny reggae beat.
Yo, man, I walk to Babylon and I tear down the wall of them in town. I walk to Babylon and the wall of them have to fall down. Have to fall down, so we burn down Babylon. In a saying we are go right now. Right now we are walk to Babylon. We are walk to Babylon. Wait. Man, I step with the soldier shout, the soldier boat. Everybody say the soldier youth, so the soldier cute. Tell her tell me say she love me cause she knows me at it. When they see me on the road, here and saloon. Man, I step and I do the work in a judge account. Now me there Africa, Kenya, home me sound. We sing a bag of song and me alone around the town. Cross braiding at the place, chant to me and the cloud. Man, I step to Babylon. To Babylon.
And we a walk on them and we not talk long.
To Babylon. To Babylon. Yeah.
Yo.
What's up? Big song, no other one. Big song. You got me going crazy. Turn me on.
Me da go kill her with back cat and hide. Want come fly me like kite. There's a slogan, the girl want come fly me like kite. You know what I mean when you say that, dog?
I came in like a wrecking ball. Never been so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was wreck me. Yeah, you wrecked me. I put you high up in the sky, and now you're not coming down. It's slowly turning. never meant to start a war. I just wanted you to let me. And instead of using force, because I should have let you in. I never meant to start a war. I just wanted you to let me in. I guess I should have let you in.
1, 2, 3, and
Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. You never been so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever do was wreck me. I came in like a wrecking ball. I just close my eyes as well. Let me crashing in a blazing fall. All you ever do was wreck me. Yeah, you wreck me. Yeah, you wreck me.
yeah.